Hey, what's up, Polygon Matic holders? How are you? Hope you're fine now. Welcome back to another video about Polygon Matic, guys. What's up? What's the price? Let me show you the latest update of the Polygon Matic. But before starting this video, please click the subscribe button now for more news and updates videos about Polygon Matic. The currently live price of the Polygon in the market is 1.63 USD dollar. 1.63 USD dollar is the current live price of the Polygon. Furthermore, guys, if you talk about the changes, so you can see here only the last 1 hour changes is negative, and except after last 1 hour the whole changes is positive. Last 1 day, last 1 week changes is positive. Just only last 60-minute price changes occurred. The Polygon Matic is negative. So guys, don't take it serious. These changes will also become positive after some times, after some few minutes. They takes time. Now guys, from the price chart, I'm sure that there is a long-term project. Now Polygon is in the jumping mood, and I believe that for a long time Polygon will continue this pump. So why are you deciding to say no? Never decide to say it, guys. Just hold for a long time. Just hold for a long time, because absolutely you can see here from 4 August the price start pumps. So absolutely they have to continue this pump to the last of August. So please hold it, don't decide to sell. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe channel for more news and updates videos.